Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're shopping for portable energy solutions, you're in the right place because today we're diving into Black Friday 2024 deals from Aferiy, the brand known for its cutting-edge mobile energy stations. Spoiler alert, there's a stackable promo code that gives you an extra 10% off, and all the details are in the description below. You might be wondering why you should shop Aferiy during Black Friday. Well, here's the deal. Their discounts this year go as high as 50% off, covering everything from entry-level portable stations to high-power models and solar panel combo kits. And here's a bonus. If you spend over €300, about $320 or $260, you could even win a portable energy station. Plus, all purchases come with free shipping and a warranty of 3 to 7 years. Shopping for portable power has never been this easy or this affordable. So, what are the standout deals this year? Let me walk you through it. For those of you looking for serious power, the AFP310EC with a 3600W capacity has a massive discount, saving you €1,350. If you're looking for something versatile, the bestseller AFP210, perfect for home or van life setups, is now €892 instead of $1,299. There's also the mid-range AFP110D, which is down by €300, and for beginners, the compact AFPO10 is just €319. A great choice if you need something portable to charge your devices on the go. If you're planning to go off-grid, Aferiy's station and solar panel combos are also heavily discounted, so you can get everything you need for portable, renewable energy in one go. Here's the cherry on top. Aferiy's Black Friday promo code is stackable. That means you can use the code VENTURIS if you're in the US or VENTURAC for the UK to get an extra 10% off, even on top of these incredible Black Friday discounts. Just make sure to check out through the official website using the link in the description. And for those of you interested in solar, Aferiy has options ranging from compact foldable panels to high-capacity ones like their 400W powerhouse. They're all on sale, and the savings are seriously impressive. It's the perfect opportunity to upgrade your energy setup while staying eco-friendly. To wrap things up, remember that all the key details, promo codes, and links are in the description below. Black Friday deals don't last forever, so don't wait too long. Whether you're shopping for a home backup, a van life power station, or a solar energy solution, Aferiy has got you covered. And don't forget that stackable 10% discount. It's the perfect way to maximize your savings. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you find the deal you were looking for, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more van life tips, energy solutions, and exclusive deals. Happy Black Friday shopping, and I'll catch you in the next one.